Hello, welcome to Healthy Eyes Hub. In our previous video, we talked about risk factors for hypertension. Today's video will focus on prevention of hypertension. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Also press the notification button to receive more updates when new learning materials are uploaded. Let's begin. High blood pressure is most common in adults, but kids can have high blood pressure too. High blood pressure in children may be caused by problems with the kidneys or heart. But for a growing number of kids, high blood pressure is due to lifestyle habits such as unhealthy diet and lack of exercise. Fortunately, there are things you can do as an individual to reduce your risk for developing high blood pressure. They include 1. Follow a healthy eating plan. This is an important step in keeping your blood pressure normal. The DASH diet, that is, dietary approaches to stop hypertension, emphasizes adding fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to your diet. Cut down on sodium. To prevent hypertension, you should reduce the amount of sodium in your diet. Try to keep it below 1,500 milligrams a day. Avoid foods with saturated or trans fats. 2. Keep a healthy weight. Going hand in hand with a proper diet is keeping a weight that's healthy for you. Losing excess weight with diet and exercise will help lower your blood pressure to healthier levels. 3. Keep physically active, sit less. Even simple physical activities such as walking, running, swimming, dancing, or activities that build strength like lifting weights can lower your blood pressure and your weight. Get at least 150 minutes per week of moderate intensive aerobic activity or 75 minutes per week of vigorous aerobic activity. Do strength building exercises 2 or more days each week. 4. Drink alcohol in moderation. Having more than one drink a day for women or people assigned female at birth, or more than 2 drinks a day for men or people assigned male at birth can raise blood pressure. 1 drink is defined as 1 ounce of alcohol, 5 ounces of wine, or 12 ounces of beer. 5. Smoking cessation. Do your best to quit smoking to reduce your risk of hypertension. You may see your local health provider for help on options available to quit smoking. 6. Finding healthy ways of managing stress help you reduce your risk for high blood pressure and heart attack. Last but not least, get adequate sleep. Lifestyle changes can help lower high blood pressure and can also help anyone with hypertension. Remember to continue your regular health checkup to help detect and manage high blood pressure in good time. It's been nice learning with you. Hope this session was helpful. Please like, share, subscribe, and press the notification button to receive more videos when they are uploaded. Thank you.